Hello, welcome to today's 80 Minute. I'm Josh Stanners going over our latest fit out, and this is for a plumber's technician fit out. Fantastic little setup in a Ford Transit custom van. As you can see out the passenger's side sliding door, we have a modular shelving and drawer system. So we have pull out deep drawers here, 200 high with interchangeable dividers, and 5 pull out tool cases to take all your consumables to your job. Fantastic setup for all your tools and consumables ready to go. We'll now go around to the back door and the other side door and show you what we've got there. So in the rear cargo space you can see we have double-sided open shelving with interchangeable dividers and rubber mats. This is a fantastic solution for really flexible storage space, making you maximize your storage capacity. We have over the wheel arch panels here, fantastic for segregating PPE gear, larger items and other bits and pieces, keeping your middle floor area completely uncluttered. Now come around to the driver's side. Again, Mr. Plumber maximizing your storage capacity. We have a full width shelving bay filling this sliding door space. Again, open shelving with interchangeable dividers, maximizing that flexibility. We would love to help you. Give us a call on 09 5800 477 or check out our website autotransform.co.nz. We'll make you more productive.